Hi and welcome to today's video in the Study Unifees Daily With series. Today's video is about why Ireland is such a great choice for those of you who would like to study abroad. Well, as you know, Ireland is a vibrant country in Europe. It is also Europe's IT hub and has a great culture and tradition. But today we will discuss why it is also a top study abroad destination. Firstly, it's an English-speaking country. The vast majority of Irishmen speak English. It is spoken not just in academic institutions, but also outside them. All universities of Ireland have almost all their courses taught in English. The living costs, if you're studying in Ireland, even in a big city like Dublin, are really low compared to the UK and other European countries. Even compared to the United States, Australia and New Zealand, living costs in Ireland are significantly lower. It's also a very peaceful country. In fact, in 2020, it was ranked the third most peaceful country among all countries in the world. The higher education system is also excellent. All 7 universities in Ireland are world ranked. In addition, Ireland is ranked as 24 among all countries in the world by QS as having the best higher education systems. Ireland also has post-study work options. After you complete your studies, you have a stay-back option for 2 years. After your post-study work options expire, you have employment and settlement options. The graduate scheme and the critical skills employment scheme is a great pathway to finally settle in Ireland. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share and subscribe. For more information about studying in Ireland, contact us at studyunifees.io. Till then, all the very best and take care.